So right now we have some news related to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is about to unlock a performance that we have never seen on a smartphone before. And I'm not kidding, for the first time in a few years, Android is decisively surpassing Apple for good. This is a start of a new era. But before we talk about that, we're going to take a look at the design, the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. Now, first up, let's talk about the design of the phone. The S25 series come with a polished design with thin bezels and 4 and 6 style camera lenses. Now let's talk about the performance of the phone. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip has show impressive benchmark results. We have 3,000 single-core result and 10,000 multi-core score, beating Apple's A18 Pro scores in Geekbench 6. And if we talking about the CPU score, the S25 Ultra is expected to have a custom overclocked version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, making it even more powerful phone and give them incredible performance that we never seen on any smartphone before. And if we talking about the software update, Samsung is working on One UI 7.0, which is expected to be released really soon, and One UI 7.0, giving the Galaxy S24 series a new life. So what you guys think about if upcoming S25 Ultra has ability to surpass Apple performance? Comment below. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.